What is a motherboard? A motherboard, also known as the main board, system board, or logic board, is a crucial component in a computer system. It is a large printed circuit board (PCB) that serves as the central hub connecting various hardware components, allowing them to communicate and work together. The motherboard provides the electrical connections and pathways that enable data transfer and power distribution among the different parts of the computer. Why do we use motherboards? The motherboard plays a fundamental role in a computer system for several reasons. 1. Central hub. The motherboard acts as a central platform for connecting and integrating all essential components of a computer. Communication pathways. It establishes communication pathways between the central processing unit, CPU, memory, RAM, storage devices, graphics card, and other peripherals, allowing them to exchange data efficiently. Power distribution. The motherboard distributes power to various components, ensuring that each part receives the appropriate voltage and current for proper functioning. Expansion slots. Motherboards feature expansion slots, such as PCIe slots, that allow users to add additional components like graphics cards, sound cards to enhance the system's capabilities. Input/output ports. Motherboards provide a variety of input/output I/O ports for connecting external devices, including USB ports, audio jacks, HDMI ports, and networking ports. BIOS/UEFI firmware. The motherboard contains the basic input/output system (BIOS) or Unified Extensible Firmware Interface (UEFI), which initializes the hardware during the boot process and provides a user interface for configuring system settings. Types of motherboards. Motherboards come in different types and form factors such as 1. ATX, Advanced Technology Extended, standard-sized motherboard commonly used in desktop PCs, offering multiple expansion slots and connectors. 2. Micro ATX, MATX, smaller than ATX, suitable for compact desktops with a reduced number of expansion slots. Mini ITX, compact form factor ideal for small form factor, SFF, or compact PC builds with limited space. Extended ATX, EATX, larger than ATX, designed for high-end systems with more expansion slots and advanced features. 5. ITX, Information Technology Extended, a term that may refer to various compact form factors, including both mini ITX and ATX, used for different purposes based on size requirements.